Today was a good day. As you can see on the screen, I made 4 trades, and all in all, I'm well in the green. By value, it may be not much, but still, it was a very successful day for me. So let's go to how I did this. By the way, before I do that, um, uh, here are the live updates of the trade while it was running, actually several trades while it was running, and after those videos I'll get on to how that happened. Okay, quick update. um, Over here the trade's been holding. This is the 5 minutes. The trade's been holding for a few candles, and I'm thinking if it comes up any higher, I'm gonna add to the position. So after this, this bridge over here, any prices that comes close to this bridge is an opportunity. So I'm glad that I'm really thinking like that now. So let's wait and see what happens. Okay, quick update. I added another position here, so you guys might be thinking, okay, what am I doing? These are buyers coming in. What am I doing adding my position? But as I said earlier, after this move, the deeper it comes in, the better an opportunity it is. Over here in the 1 minute chart, if you see here, after this comes down from here, the buyers start hitting back. So this is nothing but people reacting from this, thinking this as an SNR. But this trade, although you can make some money, it won't be as profitable as being a seller in this market. So that's it for now. I'll keep updating this live trade. Here is another update to today's live trade. I'm not liking the pace of it, so I already closed my second position, which I took around here, at around break even. It's a 2 pip profit. Uh, Considering my lot size, this is a slight profit, not that great, but not shabby at all. And I'm thinking of closing my trade here because it might go up again, and I'll be really busy later today. Okay, quick update. I didn't close my trade, the one position that I had taken over here. After seeing this space here on the 5 minutes, um, I decided, okay, after this came down here, the buyers couldn't make it any higher at this level, so I'll wait it out. I moved my stop losses over here well into profit, as you can see, thinking, okay, if this doesn't work out, I'll still make some money. So I held on, and the trade started performing after these painful few candles. So let's see where it takes me. That's it for now. Another quick update. I added another position over here when after the sellers broke out of this breach over here, and I was watchful of this level where it previously shot back up from. So I knew the buyers would try something again. So I was ready, and when at this at this candle I added another position. So let's see how it goes. And sorry about the wind noise, it's my ceiling fan. It's very hot in here, and so I couldn't do anything about it at this time. Anyway, let's keep watching. Another thing I wanted to mention earlier, I have moved down my stop losses further into profit. As you can see, this is the first position, and this is the second position. I'm leaving out this room here so that I might have a chance to make better profits, as this looks like this is gonna move down further. If not, well, I still make some profits. This is the opportunity cost that gives me a chance to make better profits. So let's keep watching. Okay, so now you have already seen the live trades. I have not marked the positions that I add later, but we can talk through all those. So this trade, um, I took it just before New York was closing, and that was because I knew this was a seller's market, and by the end of New York, uh, I realized, let me get rid of all that. I realized by the this is end of New York, and all this while, um, this whole thing was ranging. This whole thing was ranging, so I thought, uh, 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 okay, it never once went up, not even to poke. So this is where my big boy is taking in all the orders he can get, building himself up for the big move. Now I took this. That's one major reason I took entered this trade, and another one was, although it was the slowest hour, uh, all the time I have been trading, most of my successful trades were pending orders. So this time I combined those two. I analyzed the market, I hit a sell over here, I put up a healthy amount of stop loss so the prices can move around as it did over here. And then by the time I woke up, um, prices were here, over here, when I woke up. So, and this carried me all the way down here, and when prices were coming back hard, over here I added to my position, and then somewhere over here I added to my position. So that's three trades, as you can see over here. This one was the first position that I took. This one I added later, but I held on to it too long. I should have let go earlier. um, uh, this one also I held on to it too long. I was expecting the markets to come down farther than this after this candle, after this breach of this price level. So um, that's it. I had a plan and I followed it to the book, and I kept close watch of how the markets were behaving. This was quite a slow movement, but still I got my trades. So that's how it can work out for you too. I analyzed the markets again today when I woke up. I checked out the economic calendars. There were no news for the Aussie dollar. and so I was uh, I was pretty sure it would go down further, but then this happened, and this happened because of euro. Euro was moving things across the board. I think I checked euro after the euro news came out. This happened, and lastly, the last trade I took, I want to talk about this one specially because this is a trade I should not have taken because I reacted to the market. Yeah, I checked as soon as this green bar came up. I checked the economic calendar and saw the euro news was out. I thought that wasn't gonna affect this pair, but it did. So when I saw this, I got in right over here and immediately regretted it because this is still the seller's market, as you can see over here. The news it took prices up over here. If I hadn't entered this trade, I would probably have sold from here. So, but since I already made the mistake, I was waiting for it to just go up above my buying price so that I could break even and close the trade, as I did over here. I did not make any healthy amount of profits. I just wanted to close it as soon as possible with the least possible loss. So if I hadn't entered that trade, I would have taken this one. But since I already made that mistake, I moved away. After closing that trade, I moved away from the charts. So I need to I still have some mistakes left in me. So hopefully, with the upcoming days, they're gonna go away with more practice and more patience. So that's it for now. Goodbye.